Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prerna Chauhan, and in today's video I'm going to share a little weird time during my flying career I went through, and because of that I'm telling you guys, I almost lost my job. I was almost about to be terminated. So the reason that I'm going to, or basically the story that I'm going to share with you, is something which I think we all go through in our life once or twice. And I was also going through the same phase, wherein of course I was very low and out. I was not happy in my life, and because of which I was kind of bunking a lot. When it comes to my job, I was reporting sick left, right, center, and I was not reaching for my flights, and there were so many AOWLs, absent without leaves, which was kind of worrisome for me, and of course for the airline, because they started wondering what is wrong with Prerna. And to an extent that one of the base manager, he actually reached out to my friend, and he kind of called her and said that what is wrong with Prerna. She's almost about to lose her job, and people are considering, because of her behavior and because of the kind of leaves that she's taking right now, she might get into trouble. And please make sure that you speak to her, or if you are not talking to her, can I speak to her, and can I try and understand what is she going through right now, what is happening in her life, because of which she's kind of become a little reckless with her career. So all these things were happening in and around me, and I was completely aware and unaware of the situation. When I say aware and unaware, I was becoming unaware after being aware also about the situation, because I was so disheartened. I was so disappointed. I was so dejected. I was so low, and I was so unhappy in my life at that point of time that I really could not think of working. I was going for my flights. Even if I was flying, I was going for my flights, and I was just reporting sick after reaching the base. I remember one of my London flights. I was just sitting there, and I suddenly felt something was happening within me, and I was like, something is wrong with me. And they sent me to the doctor, and doctor checked my blood pressure. It was really high, and he said that you will have to go back home, because I will not be able to allow you to go on a flight. You will have to go back, you'll have to take rest and all that stuff. And then few other occasions also, wherein of course I behaved that way, wherein the cab was standing downstairs, and I just said that I'm not going for the flight. So I did all that, because, and I was very young at that point of time, and what I'm where I am getting and what I'm getting at. So I was basically going through a breakup. Now today when I look back, all that time that I went through, in a way for me it was a very constructive time, for myself, for constructing the strength within me, not for that particular time, but for the for the times to come ahead. But in a way, somewhere it was destructive and deconstructive for my career and for the life outside. My work, my friends, everything. It was really reckless for all that. But somewhere within me, I was constructing something very strong. Everybody goes through that. When you're listening to my video, I'm sure you must be able to kind of relate to what I'm saying right now. You all must have gone through that, breakups and heartaches and heartbreaks and all that stuff. And I was also going through the same thing, and I was very young at that point of time, and after a very long relationship, that the breakup had happened, and I was very low and out, and it took me good number of years to actually come out of it. And during those years itself, I kind of was almost about to lose my job, because the kind of behavior or the kind of cocoon that I had created for myself, और मैं एक cocoon में रह रही थी, जहाँ पे मुझे किसी से ना बात करनी होती थी, ना मुझे किसी का सुनना होता था, ना मुझे कहीं जाना है, ना किसी से mingle करना है. And I had gotten into something really bad, and eventually, of course, all that was really going to be helpful for me in the future. But for that particular time, it was the worst time of my career life, because if I would have probably lost the job because of that, I had to go back home, I had to tell my parents, and it would have definitely kind of affected them in a very, very negative and a wrong way. So why am I sharing this video with you? Because we all go through these kind of situations in our life, and we all have heartaches and heartbreaks, and broken relationships and everything. I'm sharing this with you guys because I would want to advise you all and suggest you all that please do not let these kind of things affect your work and your life that is there around you, and somehow supporting you at that point of time, because that is very important. वो सब चीज़ें बहुत बहुत, और वो लोग जो उससे मैं आपको सपोर्ट कर रहे होते हैं वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, आपकी जॉब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, जो जिस इंसान ने जाना है आपको, आपका हार्ट ब्रेक करके जिस इंसान ने जाना है, let that person go, because probably whatever happens for good, that person is going so that you can really get back to your life, and you can really stand on your feet, and you can really do great for yourself. So take it in a very constructive way. I know, I can understand, go through that period also. I'm not saying that don't cry and all that, please cry for some time, go through that period of sulk, cry it out, and talk it out to your friends, and do whatever that you can do, but try to come out of it like in a month, or 1.5 months, or 15 days, or something like that, depending on how much time you take for these kind of things to get out of your system. But make sure that you do not let the things that are important for you at that point of time, that are there with you, apart from that person that are there with you, do not let all those things get affected by your reckless behavior at that particular point of time. So that's why I'm sharing this with you, because I was almost about to lose the job of my dream. I had not even spent much time in Jet at that point of time, and I was gonna give up everything. So yeah, that happened, and that man spoke to me, my base manager spoke to me, and he kind of brought me back to life, and he spoke some sense into my head, and he taught me that everybody goes through that. You just have to make sure that you cling on to the important things that are there in your life at that point of time. So guys, this is a different video. Of course, I wanted to share it with you because it can happen with you, and it must have happened with you, or it could have probably happened with you in the past, or is happening with you right now, or can happen in the future. Please make sure that you listen to this video of mine, and do not let your life get affected so much by this that you ruin the most beautiful and the important things around you at that point of time. Okay, so ये सब चीज़ें होती रहती हैं. What is important is that आप बस मूव ऑन करें अपनी लाइफ में, और जल्द से जल्द अपनी लाइफ को वापस अपनी strength में लेके आए. Okay, so thank you guys, and all those people who've not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you do that, you like my videos, and share it with your friends, and please do not forget to press the notification bell so that you can get the notification of my video as soon as it comes onto my channel. Alright guys, so I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.